chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms overnight. Waves 1 to 3 feet. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KXI 41, serving the north and northwest suburb.
Oh. Why did the Radio Shack didn't work?
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Burns Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 12:30 p.m. At 11:06 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 15 nautical miles northwest of New Buffalo, or 15 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Michigan City and Burns Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring within outside of this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KXI 41, serving the north and northwest suburbs.